What's up, y'all? It's PaigeShaian. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, just stopping by, don't go too soon. Definitely press that subscribe button and continue to check me out. So we're doing a side part quick weave. I already went ahead and sprayed down, got to be on my double black cap. So just demonstrating how I did that, and now I'm gonna go in with my 30-second glue. Well, no, this isn't a glue, it's a protector, right? So it protects the glue in your from your hair or vice versa. So it acts as a barrier between the two, and it also helps the longevity of the cap too. So if you are doing a quick weave, I highly recommend that you use this. I just go ahead and put it along my perimeter neatly and then do all of the inside. It can get a bit messy, so definitely take your time when you're doing it. And if you do need guidance, I would outline where your leave out is so you can know exactly where to not put it, because you don't want to put that on your natural hair. So if you are in a salon, go under the hooded dryer, because it would definitely dry faster. If not, use your blow dryer, but you really want to make sure that the 30-second glue is set and dry before you start gluing. So definitely make sure that it is dry. So I'm gonna go with my first bundle. This is 24 inches of our body wave texture from Level 27 Luxury Collection. I'm gonna go with my first bundle, start in the back and then work my way up. I put a nice fine thin layer of glue on the weft, and then I do let it dry just a little bit. Like, you want it to get kind of tacky, and then you put it on your cap. Make sure that it's on your cap for the very first track and not on your nape area where your baby hair is in the back, because it will not be comfortable later. So definitely make sure that it's on the cap. Make sure that it's nice and flat from ear to ear, and continue to work your way up. Now, if you want it more in your face, you want to definitely take it on a U shape, and continue to work your way up. But it just depends on how much of a bang that you really want and how much hair you want in your face. So after every other track, maybe every other track, I don't think I do it on every one, but you'll see that I'll take the Got To Be free spray and I'll spray along the track, or along the weft, excuse me, because it just really helps keep it intact, and keep it molded for a little bit longer. Flip the camera around so you can see how I am laying the tracks prior to cutting and gluing them. So hopefully this is a better angle for you all, so you can see how I just kind of feel around, make sure it's still lining up correctly, and then I go ahead and glue. So you want to make sure you have a nice fine layer of glue. You don't want it spilling all over your hair, and because it really does mess up the hair. Nice fine layer of glue on the weft. Let it get a little tacky, and then go ahead and lay it on your cap. As I get closer to the top, you can see that I outline where my leave out is, so it's easier for me to follow my guide. But I'm just going to continue to curve, take it all the way around. My side part is starting to be less hair, which is what we want, and that's okay. And then eventually we will cut the cap where my leave out is and then continue. So I want to really take my time when I'm cutting this cap. One, it's very tight. I have a double cap, as you guys know, so we're going to cut both of them. I like to cut it a little bit prior to getting to the top with the wefts, just so I can really see where my guide is and really make sure that I glue only at my leave out outline area. So just really take your time. You do not want to cut your natural hair. It is very easy to do. And you just want to avoid that as much as possible. So I will say, if you don't have a sharp enough scissors, then it's going to be hard for you to cut. So don't have dull ones. Make sure they're not like kitchen scissors or anything like that, because that will probably be too long and can just add to the fact that you can cut your hair. So now I'll continue laying the tracks on up until I get to the leave out part. The hair is a very good quality hair. So when people ask me, do I use my bundles for Quickweave, I think they ask because they don't want to cut up the bundles. However, I've reused hair for Quickweaves plenty of time. Literally, you just take it off the cap, clean off the weft, free of glue, and then wash the hair as normal and re-glue it in. Same process. It might even, depending on what part you're going to have for the next time, it might be a little uneven when you're laying your tracks, but it's okay to keep cutting. But it's still reusable. It doesn't mean that you cannot reuse the hair just because it has glue on it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take down my leave out and get ready to press it. I did use my Babyless flat irons, the two sizes, the bigger size for the actual weave because it's longer, so it'll be more coverage to get it done faster, and then a smaller size to get closer to my root area for my natural hair. It's a really good blend. I did curl the hair later, but just for the video I straightened it just to get it done because I think I was in a rush this day. I can't even remember, y'all. This hair was actually for the photo shoot again, so I'll leave and insert some of those pictures so you can see. But yeah. So we're coming to the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, definitely subscribe to my channel, and I will see you at the next style. How do we do that?